desert, dessert. In this lesson, we are going to learn the difference between these two words and how to use each correctly. Desert. This can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, it's pronounced as dessert. Dessert. This means to leave someone without permission or help. For example, he was deserted by his friends. This means he was left by his friends. It can also mean to leave a place or something empty. For example, the bird deserted its nest. As a noun, it's pronounced as desert. Desert. And this refers to a dry, hot area with sand. For example, she visited the desert in Dubai. Dessert. This is a noun, and it's pronounced as dessert. Dessert. This is a sweet course usually eaten after a meal. For example, we had cheesecake for dessert. What would you like for dessert? Now let's go through an example sentence. I was deserted by my friends in the desert because they wanted to eat dessert. Deserted is the verb. Desert is the noun, and it refers to the place. Dessert is a noun. It refers to the dessert we eat.